Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, extend it, and somewhere in between those toggles on one of the pages you'll find the screen recording toggle. Now for me it looks like it's on the third page, so there we go. Now once you locate it, you can either tap on it to start recording immediately, or most of the time you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can change how it will be recording your screen. So just like things like resolution, you can add your selfie camera if you want to, and also a couple of toggles right here. Now it looks like it's set to relatively decent settings, though they're fairly limited, like no frame rates, no bit rates and stuff like that, so hopefully it looks good. Anyway, so once you set it up, let's find the toggle once more, tap on it, start. I'm not sure if it's recording audio or not. So anyway, as you can see, you stop it by pressing the square, and once it saves the screen recording, you can locate it in your Photos application. There we go. So it looks like it won't show up in the Photos tab, so we need to go into Library, and in here you'll most likely see screen recording. So there we go, and there we go, there is a screen recording. Let's give it a second and we should start seeing something on the screen. There we go. So there we go, that's the screen recording, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.